Pratibha, for coming and talking about this wonderful method of it's kind of healing, or is it? It's like a switch word, that you came up with. So we are going to talk about Find Me.
Yeah. I didn't know that, it'll work wonders.
Yeah,
Yeah, but it's
yeah. And how long ago was it? Maybe 1 year back that we started it, or 2 years back?
2 years now.
Two
Yeah.
years now. Amazing.
Mhm.
So let's start from the very beginning. Okay. Uh, so I will start with my story, and then you tell me how you came up with it. Okay. So I was uh, talking on phone with Suppu, and she was not able to find her charger. Okay. So I was like, "Arey, just to say find me. You will find the charger, just like how Pratibha does with her keys." So she
Yeah.
says, "Yeah, is it?" मैंने कहा, "Yeah, yeah, you can find anything." And it just flew out of my mouth. The words, the words were like this: that yeah, yeah, everything will find you, even peace and bliss and joy and happiness. Anything that you want will find you. You don't have to do anything. You just have to be ready for receiving. That's all. So that is my story. That it just because of what you told me. So then, what did you tell me? How did you come about?
So it so used to happen that when I used to work, I used to come home really late, and my bag, being a Harmonies bag, it's always filled with stuff, and it's so hard to pick things. When I used to reach home late in the night, I used to have the urge to enter home and relax, and I would always misplace my keys. So I used to be like, keys, find me. And every time I said that, I used to find the keys instantly in that juggle. I could find like that. So I had been using Find Me only for keys until I met you. And this story, when you told that Suppu found her charger, it really made me feel excited. Oh, can I use this to do something else? Or, is it like, will it work only for me or will it work for everybody else? So eventually, with Zen girls, people started telling me to find things. Say they used to say, Prats, I'm not able to find this, so help me find this. And then one of the days, my friend Kanchan, she wanted something. So I was like, whatever she wanted, I said, find Kanchu. So instead of saying find me, I started using their name. And to my astonishment, we used to find it really fast and
It was like almost
instantly.
instant, or yeah, yeah. It was just
Yeah,
very fast. Yeah.
yeah. I think the less ambiguity we had, the more faster it would work. Like, if I wanted something, but if my mind keeps asking questions, how will it happen? From where will it happen? Will it really happen? Will my finally work this time? Such questions, whenever it is lesser, the result is faster. Yeah.
So, I'll describe my process of Find Me. That what I did with it. So it was first when Suppu found the charger, and then immediately these words came out. I thought that I will, जैसे मंत्रों को सिद्ध किया जाता है during eclipses.
Mm.
So yeah, that more power is given to that mantra, so that everybody can use it, and it will benefit everybody. So I started doing this with the Find Me on a solar eclipse. I started chanting, "Find me, find me, find me, find me, find me, find me," and I said that whoever will chant this will get whatever they want instantly. Okay, so I did that Siddha. Did it. I gave it more power. Then what happened is, for various things, I realized two things work very. You know, it works with Find Me very fast. जैसे कि first is visualizing it, that it is coming towards you. Okay,
Yeah.
that once I was visualizing that I need a corn at night 10:30. I was booking on Swiggy कि I need corn for puja on the next day, and I just closed my eyes and I saw the corn, with hands and legs walking towards me. Okay. So I was like, yeah, I think this is how we can visualize. And if it comes, if the visualization happens easily, it
Naturally, yeah.
yeah, it means you will get it
Yeah.
easily. If it doesn't happen easily, if you have to force it, then it means it's not for you. You should wait, something like that. So this is my process.
Yeah, maybe it's not meant to be at that moment, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah,
Are
because
you able to
with
visualize every time? Like if I ask you to, Pratibha, find me a Zen center. Okay. So will you be able to find it every time? Or you have some glitches?
no, not always. Not always. Let's say, for example, one of my friend Kanchan, she had asked me to find a maid. Okay,
Hmm.
now her maid was off, so she had asked me to find a maid. When I was visualizing that day, I saw that for something, Kanchan was supposed to forgive the maid. I saw that Kanchan was angry towards something, and she had not let go of it. So that's
Hmm.
why she was not finding the maid. And a couple of times for some of the friends, I have not been able to visualize, and I have been able to visualize, and instantly, they have called me and told that it worked. So both the scenarios are there. It was an interesting experience when I saw that she's supposed to forgive for some incident, and then she'll find a maid. Yeah.
It's so interesting, like you are able to, if they are meant to find it, you will be able to visualize it. If they're not meant to, then you'll not get that. And you get a message also, like why
Yeah.
they're
Yeah.
not getting it, what is the block that they're not able to
Mm.
find something. That's amazing. So I remember when, one of the person was looking for a dog. That person lost a
Mm.
dog, and within a
Yeah.
few, matlab, I was just checking the messages. I was just checking the messages, and I'm like, oh, okay, the message has come that we should find this dog. And just
Yeah.
few messages later, okay, dog has been found.
Yeah.
It was just so fast.
It feels like Subbu had lost her ring. So she had told to do a find me. And she had lost it on her trek. Okay, she had gone for a rock climbing, so
Yeah.
she lost it there.
Hmm.
I saw that she will find a ring back. But the scenario was such that it is impossible because she had gone on a trek.
Right.
I didn't see where the ring was, but I saw that the ring is in an enclosed space because I sometimes even I cannot interpret my visions that well. I saw that the ring is in an enclosed space. Okay, so I kept saying, "Super search in the bag, super search in the bag," and then after many months, she got the ring back. So it kind of the more makes me feel trusted towards it.
Yeah, and it was in someone else's car. That
Yeah,
guy found it and gave it back.
yeah.
Yeah, and when they're supposed to find it and they're supposed to get it back, you will see that, yeah, you are
you
supposed
you
to.
will feel that, yeah, it's going to come back,
It's
that kind
gonna
of
come back.
feeling.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Interesting. So it's one person had lost 40,000 rupees. Okay, 40,000 rupees. Can you imagine? And then I just said, okay, yeah, yeah, you will get it. Just now, I didn't even say find me. I just closed my eyes and I saw ki, yeah, yeah, she's getting it back. Okay, within a week she got it back, and she was like praising me, ki, "Arey Anu, you did so much. You thank you." But I'm like, I didn't do anything. I just saw it that you will get it back. It's just so instant that you close your eyes and you will just know whether it's meant to be, not meant to be. It's
Yeah.
amazing.
You just have to be calm, clear of what you need, and then visualize, say it once and leave it. You don't go back and check.
Mm.
As now it's become very easy. Like, I'd misplaced my mom's sari and I said, sari, find me. And then I forgot about it. Then it's kind of like I heard it or I saw it that, it was in that cupboard, close. I never keep my mom's sari there. But I heard that it is in that bag there. And I went and so I got the sari bag. I found my jewels like this. I got my Mangal Sutra. I got my saris. But not only saying the good instances, sometimes there's resistance also. Like you want to say, find me, you know that you will get it, but there's resistance that you don't want to say it. So, yeah, such scenarios are also there.
Yeah, interesting. There was a time when we were, going out on a drive. and one of the friends said कि अरे find me कर लो ना, हमें camping की जगह मिल जाएगी, we'll get the place to camp. So both of us were trying, Neha and I, to say, but there was so much resistance, and we were pushing it.
Resistance.
कि अच्छा कर दो ना यार, किसी तरह से कर दो यार, find us, and it was not happening. And when we came back, we realized it was not happening because her husband had a call at 5 p.m. So he would have missed the call, and it would not be good. So that's why we were not supposed to go there.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That resistance is like you cannot describe, but that resistance is so much that even if you want to utter it, you cannot utter it.
Yeah, the words will not come, and it's just amazing.
Or somebody will call you, you will get distracted, then you'll forget about it. Something like that will happen.
You'll not be able to do it only. Yeah, correct,
Yeah.
correct. Interesting. So, like you said, no, a calm state of mind. You know what happens in the beginning when you start doing Find Me, you say Find Me in a very doubtful way. You'll say कि अच्छा ठीक है, headphones Find Me, okay.
मतलब like I'm going to try. Will it work or not?
Whether it will work or
Chalo.
not,
Yeah.
with a sense of skepticism, then it will not work.
Yeah.
You have to say it like you are ordering the universe or ordering the headphones. Headphones, find me now.
Good you got this up. So whenever somebody says, please find me, it will never happen. You'll be like, you should have that authority saying, Chacha, find me. That is the tone you will have. Like you raise up, it's like that. When you say, please find me, it will never happen.
Nothing is happening. Nobody is listening to your please.
Yeah.
But yesterday I was writing this book, Raphael ka book, and in that he was talking about Find Me. So it's so interesting. Raphael is saying that whenever you say Find Me, you know what you are doing? You are changing your vibration. It is not that the headphones will find you. No, it is that you change your vibration to a level of, yes, of course it will come to me.
Receiving.
Yeah, you become ready to receive. So it is right in front of you. Amazing, no? But with little bit of authority. Yeah, calm and
authority
is required, but authority is also required.
Yeah, and like you should have a feeling that you deserve it. ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ मिल जाएगा. What will I do? Will I really get it? वो ऐसा feeling हो तो भी नहीं मिलेगा. My husband, he wanted a laptop. It's been so many months now that he's using a desktop at home, and he actually told, laptop find me. I think 2,000 laptops were due, in his company to be delivered. He said, "How will it happen?" and all. I said, "That's not your problem. You need a laptop, you ask." And he said, "Laptop, find me." तो उसको अगले दिन ही मेल आ गया था कि the laptop is being allotted. बट अभी तक लैपटॉप घर नहीं आया, पता है, उसका नाम पे अलॉट भी हो गया. मतलब उसको लगता है कि दूसरों को, मतलब वो लड़की है उसके टीम में, she needs it. But that deserving feeling also should be there, is what I've observed. Like, I deserve it, I want it now. That kind of feeling should be there. हाँ, बाद में भी चलेगा, मतलब यूनिवर्स भी बाद में भी देगा, ऐसा है.
No compromise.
हाँ.
Yeah. So similar lines पे my husband said कि मैंने उनसे बोला कि Shivam, how much money do you want? Okay. So he's like, your Find Me will work. मैंने कहा, yeah, it will work. So he says कि okay, I want, like, he said 500 crores or something, like a very big amount. Okay. And I'm like, okay, let me see, because पहले तो मुझे धक्का लग गया कि इतना बड़ा amount.
इतना.
Yeah. So then I'm like, okay, fine, let me see. So I closed my eyes and I saw the money being chained to a big rock. Okay, that the money is trying to come, but it is chained. I was like, Shivam, I don't know why, but your money is chained. Okay, it is wanting to come to you. It is chained. You need to release your blocks.
Like I said, you should feel like, to get that much money at once, that I feel deserve to get it.
Yeah.
because I did it, on one of the days, I wanted to test because I had blocks on money. So when I did for 50K. Okay, because that amount I felt is like,
Yeah.
हाँ मिल सकता है,
हो सकता है.
मतलब इतना भी बड़ा नहीं है,
हाँ.
ऐसा वाला feeling था. And you know what? I had lent to somebody else that money long back, and I told whenever you can give it back to me. That evening he transferred to my account. बिकॉज ये है कि कोई लेंगे वो पैसा तो वापस दे सकते हैं.
हाँ.
Because in our mind, वी have that first question, how, from
हाँ.
where we'll get,
Yeah.
all that should not be there. It's like
ना.
मुझे बस चाहिए,
चाहिए
then
बस.
छोड़ दे.
You should be like the child of God, चाहिए तो चाहिए, अभी चाहिए. you know.
अभी चाहिए.
You should become very like a kid.
मेरा पास 100 खिलौना है, फिर
हाँ.
भी मुझे एक और चाहिए, यही वाला चाहिए, ऐसा.
Yeah. And the level of, when Neha की niece है, she wanted unicorn. Okay. So यहाँ पे उसको मॉल में ले गए, 1,000 रुपए का यूनिकॉर्न. People thought 1,000 रुपए का यूनिकॉर्न क्यों देंगे, हम नहीं देंगे. ओके, रोते रोते वो आ गए. बट ऊटी में उसने खरीदवा ही लिया, ढूंढ ढांड के. नहीं, चाहिए ही चाहिए, चाहिए ही चाहिए, चाहिए ही चाहिए, चाहिए ही चाहिए. सो जिद अपना छोड़ा नहीं उसने. और क्यों? क्योंकि उसको पता है कि शी डिजर्व्स. एंड उसके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. इनफैक्ट चिल्ड्रन डोंट हैव अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिजर्विंग. दे आर लाइक कि अरे ऑफ कोर्स मॉम हैज टू गिव मी द मिल्क, मॉम हैज टू फीड मी, मॉम हैज टू शावर मी. है ना. सो
तो बढ़ते बढ़ते ऐसा है ना, वी फॉरगॉटन दैट यूनिवर्स इज अबंडेंट. वी फील दैट वी हैव वन, वो मतलब वो रिपेयर हो जाए, खराब हो जाए, बाद में एक और लेना है, मतलब एक और लेके नहीं रख सकते. That is the conditioning we have. That's why, to ask for more, we have a problem. Once we clear that block, I think it will come automatically.
Yeah, so many blocks are there, for related to money. Yeah. So Find Me has worked on material things, abundantly. But have you ever tried on like non-material, metaphysical things, like angels find me or something like that?
I have done for ease.
Ease.
Like, I don't like chaotic situation. So I have not been able to say for other emotions, but for ease I have done. Like, I feel that somebody is feeling crumpled, or if I myself I'm in chaotic situation, I'm not liking what is happening, I'll be like, ease, find me. I'll be like that, and slowly, that person will go away from home, or somebody else will call, or something will happen that the situation will ease out. So with respect to emotions, I think the maximum I have used is ease, find me. I have not been able to say love find me so far. That resistance is there within me to say love find me. Because I myself know to receive it, if somebody shows love, I'll feel a little not right now like that. So
you're not ready to receive it. Yeah. So I think, with Find Me, we also have to work on the reception part. Like we have to work on our receptivity, keep increasing our receptivity. And Reiki has helped in that. EFT helps in that. So many other techniques. That, I am ready to receive. I deserve everything. So ease. I have tried with, peace. Peace find me when it's too much of chaos. Okay. That time I say peace instead of ease. I think ease is a very wonderful term. I think I should use that. Yeah, sometimes I want to see miracles, okay, like to reaffirm and validate that, oh yeah, life is full of magic and stuff like that. So I will say that, show me a magic today. Magic, find me. Okay. So that day something, somebody will come and say, what happened, and I'll be like, oh yes, this is what I wanted. This happens.
This magic experience, I will never forget that tiger, what I saw. So 1.5 months ago or something, we had been to Kabini. Okay. So the lockdown, everything was open, so a lot of travelers were going to Kabini. So everybody with the group I was going with, their kids also had been to Kabini recently. They spent a bomb. They couldn't see anything except sambar deers. So they were like, you're not going to, see a tiger and all. Don't waste money. So I was like, I'm not going to listen to them. They couldn't find, but I can find. That was my uh, thing, what I had in mind. Said, tiger, find me. And that time I had excitement to see the tiger. But after that, my mind started telling so many things that, from past 2 years, so many instances Find Me has worked. Now, what if Find Me does not work? Is it your trust it is not working and all that? Then I'm like, I'm not going to listen to my mind. I breathed out and I started simply relaxing, and I was looking around and I was just enjoying the forest. And the minute I calmed down, I said this and I had a chaotic brain talking, and after that I relaxed myself and I started enjoying the nature. And we just turned, okay? We just turned and we saw a tiger. I was like, oh my god, you can find tigers also.
Even like within 30 seconds or 1 minute, Is it
Yeah,
just
and
in like few minutes?
and
And I think it is very important that in that moment when you said find me, you had full faith. And the next moment you did not have faith. But still it works. Because the moment when you say it, that moment you should have faith. Only for that second.
मैंने अभी I've come to the forest. I want to see a tiger. I've come to see a tiger. I have to see it now, like that.
Yeah, that is what. So in that moment you had faith. That's why. That's wonderful. And you became a child. That is, I think the best way to do Find Me is to become a child. To become a kid, a naughty kid who just is very demanding. Amazing. So I'm very happy that we use this switchword and it has helped us and in so many ways. Thank you for sharing this with us. And
Thank you for helping me identify, because if you hadn't told me, I wouldn't have realized that it was a switch word and I could use it, so powerfully.
yeah,
Thank you for identifying it for me.
amazing. It just came to me, and I'm grateful to whoever put that thought in my head. One of the angels, probably Metatron. So thank you to the angels, and thank
Yeah,
you
thank
to
you.
us for being receptive to understand this, and thank you to whoever is listening, so that whoever finds it, may use it for wonderful things in their life.
Yeah. Whatever you want, find me.
Yeah.
Whatever you want, find someone. Write that name.
You
That's all.
don't have to chase. You don't have to be the chaser. You have to be the receiver of things. Just sit back, relax, and receive. Wonderful.
Sometimes I add, like whatever somebody wants, find that person's name at ease. I'm adding that.
Yeah, because sometimes it will be difficult to reach to him. Yeah, wonderful. This is an interesting addition. Yeah. So, like, if I want something for Pratibha, if I want that she has an art gallery, so I will say art gallery, find Pratibha.
At
With
ease.
ease. With ease, right? Wonderful. This is amazing. And in that moment, I have to be clear and very demanding and believe that it will happen. And in that moment, I think I should also be able to visualize, yeah, that it is happening. If you are not able to visualize, that means some blocks are there and work on the blocks. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have summarized it well.
Or maybe it is not the right
Yeah,
time.
maybe it's not the right time. Yeah, correct. Everything happens in divine timing. So I think enough discussion on Find Me. I hope it was helpful for everybody. Chalo. Thank you so much, Pratibha.
Happiness find us.
Find us all, whoever is watching. Wonderful.